There isn't a teacher out there who comes into the profession and says, oh, I want to do a bad job.
No.
There isn't a teacher that comes out there and says, hey, I don't want to support this child. But the job can be overwhelming, and it can be very, very demanding. And so the collaborative response model is fantastic for kids. And when structured properly, it is fantastic for your teachers.
Yeah.
And the last thing, as an administrator, it allows me to see what's happening in the school without having to be everywhere at one time, because you have to let go of that responsibility. I quite often say as an administrator, the more I try to control, the less control I have.
Yeah.
Here's my philosophy. Here are my people who I think can do it. Go, how do I support you? And I've been very excited with this structure that we have using these multiple layers of team meetings.